This 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. MB E350 Sport 4MATIC Premium Package 1 Sport Package 3.5 LV6 Engine 5-speed automatic transmission navigation system heated front seats power windows cruise control dual power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry black exterior black interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC Sport is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.